Is your company's capital structure no longer aligned with its financial reality? Reducing the capital of your EURL can help realign your company's financial structure. A capital reduction may be used to absorb past losses, simplify the balance sheet, or return excess capital to the sole shareholder. At FrenchCo.Lawyer, our corporate lawyers and trained paralegals handle the entire legal procedure for you. We prepare the sole shareholder's decision, update the articles of association, publish the mandatory legal notice, manage the creditor opposition period, and file the complete dossier with the commercial court registry. Once the procedure is finalized, you receive the updated KBI's extract confirming the new share capital of your company. Capital reductions involve strict legal rules and deadlines, particularly regarding the protection of creditors. Our team ensures that every step is carried out accurately and in full compliance with French corporate law. At FrenchCo.Lawyer, we make complex corporate procedures clear, secure, and efficient. Contact us today and let our lawyers handle the legal work so you can focus on managing and growing your business in France.